Hello and welcome dear students. I am Shravan Kumawat, your maths lecturer. We have started with the topic differentiation, and the last lecture we have seen the differentiation of logarithmic function. So the next topic of derivative is what? Derivative of implicit functions. Now first you should know what is explicit and implicit function. Suppose in most of the sums or in 11th standard we have done the derivative of explicit functions only. Explicit function means what? When y is expressed only in terms of x, or one variable is expressed only in other variable in a single term or in single variable, y is expressed in terms of only x or in terms of only t or in terms of only u, then y is known as what? Explicit function of x. For example, x cube plus sin x 3 sin x plus upon x raised to 5 or e raised to x square. This is known as what? Here in the right hand sums only one variable is present, so this is known as explicit function. So when in right hand side only one variable is present and in the left hand side only y term is present, then this is known as what? Explicit function. When y is expressed in terms of what? Y as well as x. For example, y is equal to sin x plus y. So here y is expressed in terms of x as well as y. So when one variable is expressed in terms of two or more variable, then it is known as what? Implicit function. Here root x plus root y is equal to root a. This is also a implicit function because here root y is not, here y, the power of y is not 1. So such type of functions are known as what? Implicit function. So how to differentiate implicit function? For implicit functions also you have to treat them as a composite function. So let us take one example. Suppose you have to differentiate root x plus root y is equal to root a, and here we have to find dy by dx. So whenever you have equality sign in differentiation, then no need to denote the sum by y. Because in most of the sums we have a habit to denote the sum by y. So no need to denote the sum by y when you have equality sign in the differentiation. So when you have equality sign, then directly you have to differentiate the sum. So differentiating with respect to x, here we have plus minus term, no multiplication division, then no need to apply product rule or quotient rule. So directly you can write d by dx with all the terms. So d by dx of root x, d by dx of root y, d by dx of root a. So derivative of root x we know that 1 upon 2 root x. Derivative of root x is what? 1 upon 2 root x, and this is our original formula, so no need to apply composite function or chain rule. And here derivative of root x only, but this is not x, therefore here we are applying chain rule or composite function. So again this you treat y as x, and derivative of root x is what? 1 upon 2 root x, but this is not x, therefore again you have to differentiate y with respect to x. And root a is what? Constant, so derivative of constant is 0, not 1 upon 2 root a, because here we have only two variables, that is x and y, and the terms other than x and y are known as what? Constant here. So shift or take 1 upon 2 root x in the right hand side, so we are left with what? 1 upon 2 root y dy by dx is equal to minus of 1 upon 2 root x, minus of 1 upon 2 root x. So what is our dy by dx? So dy by dx is minus 2 root y upon 2 root x, minus 2 root y upon 2 root x. Here 2 gets cancelled, so our final answer becomes minus of under root y upon x. This is our final answer. So implicit function is what? When you have simple y is equal to all terms in the right hand side are x, then it is known as explicit function. When you have the power of y is changed and y is expressed in terms of both x and y, then it is known as implicit function. Let us take one more example of implicit function. Suppose you have to differentiate y is equal to e raised to x plus e raised to y is equal to e raised to a. So differentiating both the side with respect to x, here we have already equality sign, so no need to denote the sum by y. So directly write down d by dx with all the terms. So d by dx of e raised to a, derivative of e raised to x is what? E raised to x, and that of e raised to y is e raised to y dy by dx. again derivative of y applying chain rule or composite function, because this is not x, and here we don't have any variable, so derivative of constant is 0. So shift e raised to x in the right hand side, so e raised to y dy by dx is equal to minus of e raised to x, is equal to minus of e raised to x. So what is dy by dx? So our answer becomes dy by dx is equal to minus e raised to x upon e raised to y. Now here you can apply exponent law, a raised to m upon a raised to n. So a raised to m minus n, this is our answer. This is the value of dy by dx. So with this we have completed the topic derivative of implicit function. In the next lecture we will see derivative of parametric functions. Thank you.